Hello guys, I'm Emmanuel and welcome back to my channel. So I've been away from the YouTube space for a very long time and I have a good reason why I have been away from the YouTube space for a while. So I've been building myself and also perfecting my trading skill, but now I'm back for good with so many amazing, insane and educational videos that is going to change your whole trading career. And I say this because what I'm about to share with you guys in the next couple of weeks, in the next couple of months, and even in the next couple of days, no trader has ever or will even dare to share such knowledge or such information with you guys with the way that I'm about to share it for free on YouTube. So kindly stick to the end of this video and let's see what I have in store for you guys. Hello traders, welcome back. So if you're hearing Forex for the first time, Forex simply is the short form of foreign exchange. So when you hear Forex market, it means foreign exchange market. Now the foreign exchange market is a decentralized market, and what I mean by decentralized market is it does not have any center where you need to go in order for you to participate in the market. Okay, is done electronically, and what I mean by electronically is done online. Okay, is done online. So if you want to participate in the forex market, you can do that in the comfort of your own home. Okay, and the forex market is the biggest financial market. All right, now don't get me wrong, we have other financial markets, okay, like the stock market, the commodity market, the crypto market, and so on and so forth. But forex market is the biggest of all markets, of all financial markets, because over $6.6 trillion is being traded on the forex market on a daily basis. Okay, and the forex market is open for 24 hours every day for 5 days in a week. Okay, so if you want to look for opportunities in the forex market, you need to be on the forex platform from Monday all through to Friday. Okay, Saturdays and Sundays are weekends, so the forex market is not open during weekend. Okay, now you know what the forex market is. Now, so let's move to the next point, which is what is being traded on the forex market. Now, simply, like I said, we have other markets, other financial markets like the crypto market, the stock market, the commodity, and so on and so forth. Okay, but the forex market, basically, what is being traded on the forex market is just currencies. Okay, currencies are what is being traded on the forex market. So if you want to trade anything other than currency, you have to go to the market of that asset class. Let's say you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies, you need to go to the crypto market in order for you to participate in order for you to trade the cryptocurrencies. Okay, now if you want to trade any stock of any kind, be it Tesla, be it Amazon, be it Coca-Cola, or any Facebook or anything, if you want to trade all those, you need to go to the stock market for you to be able to participate in that asset class. All right, but the forex market is where you trade only currency. Okay, you trade only currencies. Okay, now you know what is being traded on the forex market. Let's move to the next point, which is the participants in the forex market. Now as you can see on my list, you see we have the central bank, the hedge funds, the commercial bank, and then the retail traders. Now the central bank they are in the forex market not for profit, but instead they are in the forex market to regulate currency and also exchange rate. Okay, so every country has a central bank that regulates their currency and also stabilize exchange rates. All right, so that is the work of the central bank in the forex market. While the hedge funds, these are known as the big guys, the smart money, or even the big money. Okay, because they are responsible for moving the market. They are responsible for causing the huge move you see on the forex market. Okay, because they have the most money. They have the most money. Okay, and the hedge funds, they can only make their transaction, okay, with the help of the commercial bank. So that is where the commercial bank comes in. While you and I, the retail traders, we make money off the move the hedge funds provided in the forex market. Okay, we make profit off the move the hedge funds provide in the forex market. Now you've known all the participants in the forex market. Okay, so let's move to the next one, which is how to make money on the forex market. Now I would like you to know that making money in the forex market is more than just clicking your buy or your sell button. Okay, there are a whole lot of things you need to do before you click buy or sell, but I'm going to make a whole video on that. Okay, but for the sake of this beginner's guide, let's just stick to this. Okay, making money in the forex market, it only takes it only takes two actions. Okay, either buy or sell. Okay, you are either buying or you are selling in the forex market. So whichever way, buying or selling, you are going to make money if you know what you are doing in the forex market. Okay, so simply how you make money in the forex market is you click your buy and you click your sell at the right time. All right, so let's move to the next point, which is the tools you need to participate in the forex market. Now, as you can see from my screen, I have 6 main tools that I've listed out that you need to have in order for you to participate in the forex market. Okay, as a beginner, and you need at least one mobile phone and one laptop, but I will recommend you get the both of them. Okay, because it will do you far more good than none. Okay, so you need a mobile phone or a laptop, or better still, you can get the both. Okay, and then the second one, you need an internet connection. Now if you can remember what I said before, the forex market is done electronically. Okay, so it's done online, and for you to access it, you need an internet connection. Okay, so the third one is the power supply. Now this third one is basically for my brothers and sisters back here in Africa. Okay, for some of our countries that have what's it called, I have power supply shortages. Okay, so you really need your gadget to be on or fully charged for you to be able to be able to participate in the forex market effectively. Okay, and the fourth one you need is a brokerage account. All right, now a brokerage account or a broker is simply a third party between you and the forex market, because a brokerage account is where you are going to deposit your money. Okay, you are going to deposit your money and then you link it to your MT4 where you will be placing your trade. Okay, because the MT4 is a platform where you click your buy and your sell. Now you cannot fund on your MT4. Okay, you cannot deposit on your MT4. Rather, you deposit on your brokerage account. You then link your brokerage account to your MT4, then you click your buy and your sell. Now if you click on your buy and your sell on your MT4, it reflects on your brokerage account. Now the next thing also you need is a trading view. Now a trading view is also a platform that gives you more tools and flexibility when it comes to technical analysis. Okay, don't get me wrong, you can also analyze on your MT4, but the trading view gives you more tools and more flexibility when it comes to technical analysis. Now the last one, which is the final one, which is fund or money or capital. All right, just like every other business, you need capital in order for you to participate in the forex market. Okay, because you have to put money in the forex market in order for your buy or your sell position to open. All right, so these are the 6 basic things you need as a beginner in order for you to participate in the forex market. Okay, now I just want you to know that participating in the forex market or trading the forex market has a whole risk attached to it. Okay, so trading in general is very risky. So you really want to have enough knowledge. You really want to acquire enough knowledge. Okay, enough knowledge on risk management, trade management, psychology, and also strategy in order for you to be profitable in this market. Okay, and don't worry, this channel has got you covered, because I'll be making whole lot of videos in how you can be successful and also consistently profitable in the forex market. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. So guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you find this video valuable, kindly smash the like button, because this is just one of the so many videos yet to come. So please subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, so that whenever I drop a new video, an educational one like this one, you will be among the first to be notified. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Peace out always.